Rediscover baking soda, the secret for healthy teeth.
I took the Arm & Hammer challenge. I tried Advanced White for 2 weeks. I absolutely see a difference. It's got to be the baking soda.
You look like you're looking right at
The
him.
Arm & Hammer challenge.
What is that? Who got that out of
Bless
there? Oh,
you.
goodness.
Oh, and another.
Oh, my goodness.
You're going to be a 2-sneezer, aren't you? Sneeze in pairs.
She had 3 earlier today, right in a
Oh
row.
my goodness. Oh my goodness.
See why it's America's best-selling prestige treatment. Clinique's even better clinical dark spot corrector.
I am beginning to love my skin.
Available at Macy's.
Who is that? You're looking at Daddy. That's Daddy.
Let her be exactly who she wants to be. There's no one like your daughter. And now there's a doll as individual as she is. My American Girl doll. Your daughter decides what her doll is.
Did you blow on it?
And she comes to
Yeah.
life by my
Oh,
rules. So let her be
don't like that.
100% herself. Go to an American Girl store or American